Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Steam Guard on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now, in order to turn off your Steam Guard on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your username available for us with the drop down arrow available over here at the top right where I'm hovering. Click on your username over there, and you can see the account details option available for us on this menu. Click on account details, and when this opens, guys, you can see there is the manage Steam Guard option under the category of account security. Now, in order to proceed to turn off your Steam Guard on your Steam, click on manage Steam Guard, and this kind of interface will appear. Either you'll be on the phone number section or the email section. Now, in order to turn it off, simply click on the turn Steam Guard off option over here, and over here again click on the disable Steam Guard, and here it says, guys, turning Steam Guard off requires confirmation. We've sent you an email with a link to confirm disabling Steam Guard. So that being said, guys, let's open up our email address with which we had created the Steam account. So over here, guys, you can see this is the account, whereas if you click on here it says, guys, we received a request from your account to disable the Steam Guard. Click on disable Steam Guard, guys, and you can see, guys, it says Steam Guard has been now disabled on your account. You may close this window, and let's go back to the Steam and let's recheck this. Let's go to the store and let's again hit on the account details option over here, and you can see, guys, the Steam Guard has been turned off. And guys, this is how to turn off Steam Guard on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.